I really hope there are no snakes here. What really made this village very popular? I haven't seen anything like this before. Oh! Young businessman. If I know anything about this railway lines, the only thing that you have to look out for is that welcome to deep in the jungle somewhere in Sri Lanka. We're going to, I'm in a small town nearby. I walked a bit into this woods over here to see something very touristy here, deep in the middle of woods. Okay, I don't have the right shoes, but hopefully I don't fall down. Oh my god, should I go this way? This is super wet. Maybe I shouldn't have. Alright, I was going to follow another route by the main road. I saw this sign, fastest route by foot. Maybe. We are going to see what really made this little village, like really a village, very popular. But if you go into the town center, the village center, there's like fancy western cafes and stuff like that. So many foreigners. I haven't seen this many foreigners in one place before today in Sri Lanka. That way or this way? Okay. It is the railways that made this village so popular. Train ride from nearby town to here, which is Nuwara or Kandy to Ella, is deemed to be one of the most beautiful. You might have seen the Instagram pictures where people are leaning out of the train and taking pictures. So that's that route. It became very popular the last 10 years or so, talking to a local here. Anyway, wow. You have like banana plantations. It's fenced off with barbed wire. No, it's mostly look like wild with some banana trees. Hopefully there are no snakes. I really hope there are no snakes here. Hello. Which way is the... Do you know the... This is the way, right?
This is the path, yeah.
Oh, okay. Hello. How are you?
Fine.
Komada. Maybe when I come back. Okay?
You're from
India.
India?
Yeah. Kerala.
Kerala.
Yeah. Do you know?
Yeah. Right.
It's like very close to Sri Lanka.
Study in India.
Who?
Annamalai University.
Oh, Tamil Nadu. Yeah. Yeah. It's. I have friends who study there.
Yeah.
Annamalai. It's nice. Are you from here?
Yeah. My big mother in Bangalore.
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 Oh, I was there too. Bangalore.
Yeah.
It's nice. It's
Yeah.
crowded, big city though.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Building, no?
Yeah. So many buildings. So many buildings. So, but you're from here in Ella.
Yeah.
Okay.
I am from Sri Lanka.
Uh-huh.
My mother's from India.
Mother's from India.
India.
Okay. How about you?
Yeah, she's
Yours?
my sister.
Your sisters. Okay.
My brother's in wife.
Ah. Okay. What happened to your hand? Injury.
Yeah.
Right. Okay. I'll get a king coconut on my way back.
Okay.
I think the train is coming or something. So
Train go there.
already gone.
Yeah.
What? Is there a next 10:30 another one? Ah, okay. Also another trains, huh? Okay. Maybe I'll just check out the bridge and come back.
Okay.
It's near, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Thanks. Is it sweet? What do you have here?
Yeah.
Is it sweet?
Sweet. Yeah. Drink.
Okay. Your biscuits and stuff. Yeah, maybe I'll come when I come back. All right. What a lovely two sisters. Look at this. It's a mountain stream. Hello.
Hello.
Is the train already gone?
Yeah, already came. Next one is 11:50.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Okay, thanks. I thought these trees were intentional, putting trees like that, but it actually looks like these have fallen down onto the. Oh, there's so many of them there. I think these are what they call as silver trees. I think. How are you? I see you have a GoPro too. Hello, hello.
Hello. Hello.
Oh wow! Look at this beauty. Ooh, there's one or two houses on the slope over there. Oh, here too. These may be homestays converted because it's so popular here. People convert their homes into homestays, 1 or 2 rooms, sometimes even bigger. Ooh, I can see the bridge from here. Hey.
Hello.
Hello. There's a viewpoint over here. So if you want to know, these are the train times. Very sturdy. Anyway, let's continue. Oh, it's not quiet. Got a bunch of people here. Right, this is a famous tunnel. That photo. Alright, let's walk along a little bit. Well, I think I'm more interested in the view from the bridge. We'll come back here. Oh, there's a cafe, tuk-tuk stand. They do know how to really commercialize the tourist attraction. Good for them. Oh, there's even more great view here with the backdrop of the mountain.
Sorry.
Okay. Absolutely dark. Oh, there's some light at the end of the tunnel. If I know anything about this railway lines, the only thing that you have to look out for when you're walking on these train tracks is that most of the I don't know whether it is true in Sri Lanka, but most of these trains have holes in their toilets where when people poop, it comes straight down. So they may be here and there on the tracks. So that's the one thing that you have to look out for. And it's great. Away from people. It's beautiful. Okay, it's worth coming here if you're in Ella. I haven't seen anything like this before, so. There's some artwork as well going on over here. Ooh, can you hear that? The sound really carries in the tunnel. Ooh. Completely didn't notice it, but these are tea trees or tea plants. There's a bunch of them all around actually on the hills. Hello. I promised you I will buy a coconut from you. So. Huh? Okay. What is this? What is this?
Guava.
Guava. Oh, okay. Guava. Thanks. Ah, okay. No, just a coconut now, please. Thank you. So, young businessman. It's really sweet. What do we have here? Chips. Small coconut. Okay, anyway. Thank you. It's fine. Thank you. Oh, what's happening here? Some sort of abandoned shed with banana. Hello. Alright, that's the adventure with the 9 Arch Bridge, the yoga place and everything. Cafe. Anyway, I'm going to end the video right here, and I'll see you in the next one.